looking out my window on this cold, rainy January day and thinking about spring and thinking about my garden. Just a couple of days ago, it was all snowy and icy, but now the rains have come and it is washed away. It has washed away the snow and the ice, and I can actually see the garden again, but the winds are blowing. But yet I'm here in the house and I'm dreaming about summer. Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. My name is Catherine Constant and I have this garden called Catherine's Garden. My garden is in the Northeast Zone 6 in the city. Lady Wisdom Speaks Garden. I'm so happy to be awake this morning to see you and to show you the garden, how beautiful it is looking this morning. See that? And today I want to show you what has come in. Today, my Baker Creek Heirloom Seed catalog came in. And I'm going to take some time to look at it. It's amazing because yesterday I went to the Dollar Tree and I was just looking around for seeds. I started to feel curious about the seeds and to see if anything is coming in concerning the gardens, and yes, there were a lot of different things there to put in the garden, but really not any seed packs. They had like boxes like this there. Here am I at the dollar store, and this is January, the end of January, so I'm really thinking about how I can begin my seed starting, so that's why I'm here at the dollar store to figure this out. Well, it's January 23rd, and I'm here at the dollar store because I want to figure out about the seed starting and to see what they have. So let's go on inside and see what the Dollar Tree has to offer. Dollar Tree. I'm not sure about this because I have a greenhouse, but I don't know if I really want to start the seed starting with it just yet because it's not so sunny out and it's cold. So let's see though. Let's see what they have to offer. So I'm now in the store and they look like they're stocking up things, but they have the pots out for gardening. I don't see any seeds. See these little things that they have here. Ornaments and stepping stones and frogs and things. Knee pads and shells. Seems like here's where all of their stuff is. But they are getting ready for the garden with all of these little trinkets and things. So that's kind of good because now we'll be able to really concentrate on it. Now that it means something to me, like here, like the twist tie cutter and the hooks. They even have the shears. Wow, isn't that something? For the hanging baskets, the thermostat. Wow. Could you imagine that? All of these things we can get for $1. But I don't see any seeds. Let's look around and see if we find any seeds. I am looking for seeds. Last year, from a pack of seeds from the dollar store or Dollar Tree, I was able to grow a beautiful garden. Linda from the New Orleans Gardener, she showed us how to save seeds, how to save the zinnia seeds. We're going to try. I'm going to throw these out and see, if the plants will grow. But also I'm going to buy some seeds from the Dollar Tree too. I'm going to look out for that. But in the meantime, I'm going to look at my seed catalog here from Baker's Creek. Yeah, with my cup of tea. And then also I got this magazine here called Bliss Victoria, and I had seen Laura from Garden Answer. She had a subscription to Victoria, and in it just showed some really beautiful flowers and things. And I've decided, well, I'm going to also subscribe to it and see some of the beautiful flowers and things that they have. And you know what really interests me is this picture of the David Austin roses. Now, doesn't that look fantastic? I think I might have to order me a couple of David Austin roses to put in my garden. Absolutely beautiful. I can already smell the roses. So I'm here in my kitchen, and I just got my catalog from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, our 22nd annual Pure Seed book. And this is just the free catalog that they give. And I saw it and ordered it and said, oh, this is great. I'm going to write to them and see if I can get a free catalog. And it came, and I'm so happy to see it. And so I actually pulled out both of these magazines, or the catalog and the magazine, with my cup of tea here, peppermint tea, so that I can just kind of think about seeds and seed planting and gardening. Now, last year I had a fairly decent garden and planted some vegetables, which I normally, well, this is actually my second year planting vegetables. And so I decided to save the seeds. So there's some zinnias that I really loved. And I saved the zinnia seeds, some pumpkin seeds, cantaloupe seeds, watermelon seeds, butternut squash seeds, bell pepper seeds, sunflower, cleomes, what's this, zinnias, pink. Looking at these seeds, and the Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds catalog is very colorful, and I really like how it looks. It talks about free shipping for 2019, and welcome to the whole seed catalog, and here's visiting the store. I guess if you want to, it says, love seeds, join our team, send your resume to managers@rearseeds.com. Traditional corn versus true superfood, and it talks about the difference between heirloom corn versus GMO corn, and that's good to know. I know that my seeds there, some of them I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm not sure if the seedlings that I got from the lady down the street. This is this lady, Italian woman, who has this greenhouse, and she just gives us our starts. And I don't know if she uses heirloom seeds or GMO seeds, seeds that are not organic. But the vegetables came out great. They were delicious, and I enjoyed it. But anyway, those are the seeds that I have. National Heirloom Expo is coming up here in September. That sounds like a lot of fun. And I found this to be very interesting. Look at that. This really enticed me. I think I might get some of this amaranth to put in my garden. I just love the texture of it and how it looks. The spinach here is very colorful. And they have different beans and artichokes and all kinds of things. Those seeds. Wow. They have some here that I've never even seen before. Look at this one here. Isn't that interesting? Cauliflower, cabbage, celery, carrots. Look at the different carrots. Wow. Red carrots. Can you imagine eating a red carrot? Well, I guess red is not too bad because it's not so far from the orange carrots. Look at this. The corn. This colorful corn. Glass gem. That's what that is called. The world's most beautiful corn. Wow. This seed catalog will inspire anyone to want to plant something different and unique in their garden. Look through this catalog and I see all of the different varieties of seeds and plants. It just amazes me and it makes me want to explore. Like for example, I grew eggplants and they were beautiful. They tasted delicious and I was able to share. But then look at this eggplant here. These different types of eggplants. There's so many different varieties and things to try. Wow, look at this fruit. It's all so amazing and so exciting to see. This catalog could inspire anyone to want to plant, to try out the seeds. I think, look at the different cantaloupes. Now, you know I had the cantaloupe. You know that I planted a cantaloupe, which was quite interesting. And it tasted really good too. Onions, hot peppers, sweet peppers. Now I grew sweet peppers like this. And my sweet peppers I got from a little start. I did save the green pepper seeds from one of the peppers. I saved the seeds. So hopefully I'll be able to grow them. But I don't think that these are heirloom plants. So we'll see what we get. Look at this. The spinach, the pumpkin, and the different look at this warty pumpkin, full of warts. Different types of tomatoes. Wow. Heirloom tomatoes. Now here we go, the watermelons. The different types of watermelon. Watermelon. I might just order some watermelon seeds from them. Preferably this one here. The Blacktail Mountain. It takes 70 days one of the earliest watermelons. So that watermelon might actually do well in my garden, because I don't really have a lot of time to grow watermelons, but if it's in 70 days, I might get lucky. What a beautiful catalog. I would recommend that you order your catalog, even if it's just to look at the different beautiful seeds and possibilities so that you can dream with your cup of tea like I have here. Lemon balm. Wow, I grew lemon balm in my garden. And they have flower seeds too. Cosmos. Marigolds. Look at these different marigolds. I love marigolds. Sunflowers. Zinnias. Oh, that's pretty. Fantastic Queen Zinnias. Look at that. I would recommend that you go ahead and sign up and get a free catalog and dream, and then it might even inspire you to plant some beautiful seeds in your garden, some beautiful plants. And I'm going to keep you informed of my zinnia seeds here to see if they actually grow, and all of my other seeds that I gathered here. My butternut squash seeds, sunflower, cleomes, butternut squash, cantaloupe, watermelon, zinnias, green pepper, squash seeds. Some of them I didn't even mark, marigolds, and we'll see what happens. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little time with me, with the tea. Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to Catherine's Garden, because gardening season is coming up soon, and we're going to be able to see what grows and what does not grow. And get yourself your catalog and have it with a cup of tea. Yes, the possibilities are endless. The possibilities are possible. Well, have a great day. Bye. Thank you for watching. Be blessed. Remember to subscribe to Catherine's Garden. Have a great day. Bye.